Welcome to the channel. Today in this video we're gonna discuss about the design engineering 2B project based on the manufacturing process and has a title of Manufacturing of Injection Mold and Defect Analysis. So let us begin and start the video. First, different stages of manufacturing an injection mold, which includes designing process of injection mold using CAD, CAM, CAE. In the first part is CAD, which means computer aided designing. Under that, product designing and 3D modeling of product can be done. Assembly of mold and mold design. In this mold part, the assembled as per mold design by using different standard components and parts. CAM, which means computer aided manufacturing, in which the numeric codes can be programmed for the machine process, example milling, turning, etc. by using CNC panel. CAE, running FEA analysis on product before the manufacturing process, example fluid analysis, thermal analysis, and also determining cooling stresses of the product in mold. Another work in designing in 2D craft, designing drafting sketch of the part and the mold design. The next stage to start the manufacturing process of the injection mold is required a raw material. A raw material is in the form of the round bars, square plates, etc. are imported from the further machining process. These are the raw material for the making metallic parts of the injection molding mold process. The material of the raw material of metal is depending on the application and the further usage in the mold. Another form of raw material is required for the plastic product is the plastic granules. Example, polypropylene, PP, acrylonitropentadiene styrene, ABS, lithium dipropionate, LDPE, nylon, etc. are used. The next part is the machining process, which are the primary which we need to be carried out for machining. Milling machines used to cut down the metal platens as per drawing or design for the mold. The milling machines type such as conventional, VMC, CNC, etc. are used for machining. In this, the NC program is used, generated by CAM software. G codes like M codes and G codes. Lathe machines, in which the round workpiece can be machines such as guide pillar, guide bush, dowel pins, ejector pins, etc. can be machined. It has also CNC conventional version. Drilling machines, in which the holes made in the clamping, etc. Platens for screws, tapping, Allen bolts for clamping, etc. It can be done in the vertical drilling machine, etc. Surface grinder or grinding machines, used for surface finish of the mold platen after complete mold trial is taken. The EDM machine, known as the electric discharge machine, in which complex shapes and size of the metal can be cut down or discharged by the means of electric discharge. The second part of the machining process, which is secondary part, in which the mold get in finishing touch or the final touch-up, which includes polishing and buffing process of the internal parts of the mold, such as runner, sprue, gate, and the impression of the mold. Another part of the mold making is to match the mold platen into one another. There should be zero gap between the core plate and cavity plate. This process is known as blue matching. Standard mold components. From top to bottom of the standard mold base, the components are locating ring, sprue bush, top plate, core plate, cavity plate, runners and gates, guide bush, guide pillar, ejector back plate, ejector pin, water connectors, spacer block, bottom plate. Here are some of the standard mold components. Final prototype and assemblage of the mold components. This is the stage of the final process where the complete molded components can be assembled together. The complete assembly of mold is made finally. Mold defects and customer revalidation in standard mold base. The defects occurred at plastic product as well as mold has been recovered and solved by taking certain manufacturing methods as per requirement of the stakeholder, product surface finish, size, shape, etc. Here are the defects. First defect is warpage, surface delamination, sprue break, sink mark, short, flash marks, burn marks, pressure drop, venting, ejector pins, final working prototype of the standard mold base. After completing the whole process of the manufacturing and the processing of the mold, it is the time to take the mold trial of the mold. Here are the machining specification of the injection molding machine in which the mold trial has been taken. And here it is, the final product is successfully molded out from the injection molding process. So, we concluded and see the complete manufacturing of injection mold and defect analysis project work. So friends, thank you for the watching the video. If any questions and suggestions, please write in the comment section below. And also like, comment, share, and please subscribe for new videos. If any queries, please write down in the comment section. Thank you very much.